I created this intro in Camtasia. It includes some footage, music, animated text, and added color effects. While working on it, I struggled with how to create outline text. Camtasia doesn't offer a dedicated outline option in the text tool, but you can achieve a similar look. Using just two techniques with Media Matte, Border, and Remove a Color, you can create a stroked outline text effect in Camtasia, so I'll demo it today, and hopefully an easier update comes in the future from TechSmith. Let me first preview this for you so you can see how it looks. You'll also find a link in the description to try it yourself, since the audio can sometimes sound slightly distorted in the recording.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So that's my short intro. I want to say about 15 seconds long. Perfect for a webinar, PowerPoint, or storyline slide. Now let's go back to the font outline effect and how to create it. It's pretty simple, so this week's tutorial will be super quick. I'm going to set this up and zoom in so I show you better. I just grouped my outline text for easier management. I made two copies of the same text. On the bottom one, I added a stroke with a size of 2 to serve as the final outline border. On the top one, I didn't add any stroke, just applied a green color to the text, though it can be any color really. Then I went into the visual effects and added the Media Matte effect onto this same green text. I switched the mode to Alpha Invert, which turns the visible areas of the top text into a cutout. So, essentially punching a hole through the layer below. The result? It reveals the video or design underneath only where the top text is transparent. It's a great way to achieve a hollow or outline text look with live footage showing through. And this is just one way of doing it. You can also use just one text layer, apply the border effect, set it to something like white, and turn on the Use Alpha option to keep the center transparent. Then fill the text with any color, in my case, green. Drop in the Remove a Color effect, and use the picker to knock out that green. Boom! Hollow text with video showing through. Just goes to show, there's more than one way to skin a cat, especially in post. Told you it was going to be a short tutorial. That's a wrap from me here at Craft UXD. Thanks for watching, and I hope y'all found this helpful. And as always, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate your support. Also, head over to craftuxd.com and subscribe to our newsletter right on the homepage. You'll get access to exclusive tips and tricks we don't usually share on YouTube. Until next time, take care. I'm out.